Hello, this is Ravi from TecnisiaCAD, and today we are going to work on AutoCAD. And here we are going to accomplish the command. The command name is Loft. So initially we are going to start with Control plus N from here. This is ACAD ISO. There is ACAD ISO 3D, and we can pick both. So we are picking this ACAD ISO that is totally 2D. So here you can see you can start working with 2D and we can start working with 3D as well. If you are going to work with 3D, you can go for this and pick new file, go for ACAD ISO 3D, and you will see the environment will be different. This is ACAD ISO 3D, this is ACAD ISO which is 2D. So you can construct the geometry anywhere. Now I'm going to start with second feature which is 3D, and here you can see this is a custom view and the shortcut of this is V. I'm picking this view bar and you will see I'm picking this top view, set current and click OK. And this is a 2D kind of environment. You can see this is a realistic visual style. So for opening this I can use VS enter. VS stands for visual style, and here you can see we are picking here 2D wireframe, so it will be looking like normal 2D drawing. So I am just using UCS icon, enter and enter. Initially we are starting with UN, enter. UN stands for units, and here I am picking millimeter, done. So now start with 3D modeling. So go for 3D modeling from here. This is workspace switching. You can get it from here on the top, either you can get it from here in the status bar. You will see workspace switching. So click on this, use 3D modeling, and you are in the 3D environment. Just wait for a while and you can see all the commands has been displayed here. This is home bar of solid modeling. So you can see there the command name is Loft command. Today we are going to work on Loft feature. So we can utilize the Loft feature one command in many ways. So in another software we are calling this as multi-section solid. If you're working on CATIA, we are working on SolidWorks, Creo, Inventor, we are calling it multi-section solid. But right now here we are calling it Loft command. So how Loft works, let's see. First initially I'm just going to work on circle. I'm just getting this command by clicking on C, enter, give the value anywhere. I'm just clicking 0, 0, enter, and you can see the element has been created. The value I'm giving here is 100, that is the radius of this. Zoom extent. Now click on screen and give one more circle. Give the value. The value I'm giving here is 200. That's all. Go for isometric view. Whenever you're working on 3D model or 3D command, just go for isometric view, because if you're not choosing the isometric view, you will not able to see the exact implementation of the command. So you have to go for it. Just use the command move command to make a different elevation of this circular object. So I'm just picking this internal circle, give the base point, use the F8 command always. It should be always switch on. And now go for the next value. I'm just giving the distance of around 500. So you can see the element has been created like this. The elevation of these two objects has been given. Now make a command. Command name is Loft, and you can use a short key as well. The short key is a complete name. You have to press Loft complete. Simply go for LOFT, Loft, enter, and pick the first element, that is section number 1, section number 2, and click enter. It will create cross section. Click on this and you will see the element has been created like this. You want to see, just go for VS enter, conceptual, and you will see that solid geometry has been created with having two multiple circles like this. And now you can see Here is the next command, which is press and pull. It is very useful command for flat surfaces. Just pick this. You can create bottles with this current loft feature. Just pick this surface, extend this. The value I am giving is 100. And now you can see there the bottle has been created like this. You can give the color to this object. Pick this. And now you can see there, with the help of multiple features, we have created this loft feature. And that's all for today. Thank you so much.